Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw business loss strategies using passive activity rules, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw business loss strategies using passive activity rules, begin by understanding the concept of passive activities. Passive activities typically include rental properties and businesses in which you do not materially participate. Familiarize yourself with the IRS definitions of passive and non-passive activities. Identify your passive activities by reviewing your business investments and rental properties. Next, determine the losses incurred from these passive activities. You will need to separate these losses from your non-passive income for accurate reporting. Consult IRS Form 8582 to report your passive activity losses. This form helps you calculate the allowable losses you can apply against non-passive income. Next, review the current year's material participation tests. Material participation generally means being involved in the business operation on a regular, continuous basis. If you satisfy the material participation standard, the losses may not be considered passive. If you do not meet the material participation requirement, you may only use passive losses to offset passive income. Consider grouping activities if you have multiple passive businesses or investments. Grouping allows you to treat them as one larger activity, which can help maximize loss offsetting. Keep thorough records of all income and losses related to your passive activities. This documentation will be vital for proper reporting and for any potential audits. Evaluate any prior year unallowed losses that can be carried forward. These may be available to offset future passive gains. Always stay updated with changes in tax laws regarding passive activity rules. Consult a tax advisor for specific strategies tailored to your situation. Taking these steps will help you effectively withdraw business loss strategies under the passive activity rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.